Register now for the free webinar, How to Use AI for Sales Coaching, Pipeline, and Deal Management on December 10th at 11 a.m. Eastern. Sales leaders, let's face it, you can't manage what you don't see. Now, CRMs, yeah, they're full of data, but without insight to that data, it's just noise and frankly, a waste of time. And oftentimes deals, they slip through the cracks and coaching is more so reactive than proactive. But with AI, it gives you clarity so that you can pinpoint at-risk deals before they're lost. In this webinar, we're going to show you how to guide your team with data-driven coaching to improve forecast accuracy. You're going to learn how to strengthen every stage of your deal management process and actually turn data into deals. And we'll show you how. We'll give you the actionable insights in real time so that you can scale your team's performance without having to add headcount. So register now so that you can learn how to use AI in sales so that you don't miss market share. Thanks. See you then.